I read in John chapter 20, starting with verse 19. Then the same day at evening, being the first day of the week, when the doors were shut, where the disciples were assembled, for fear of the Jews, Jesus came and stood in the midst and said to them. Now, first, let's just think about the situation that the disciples were in at that point. You know, the shepherd was struck and the sheep were scattered. Although they were together in the same place, in their mind, in their spirit, in their soul, were scattered. Their Lord wasn't with them anymore. And more than that, they denied him. So they were obviously disappointed with themselves. And on top of that, they feared the Jews. They were with the doors locked. However, Jesus came and stood in the midst and said to them, "Peace be with you." Praise Jesus, hallelujah. When he had said this, he showed them his hands and his side, and the disciples were glad when they saw the Lord. So Jesus said to them again, "Peace to you. As the Father has sent me, I also send you." Very recently, I thought about the fact that I must be serving God Almighty, because only He could have forgiven me of so much debt and give me the peace that He has given me. It is such a wonderful blessing, dear friends, to serve God Almighty and to know that it doesn't matter what we've been through, He will always receive us and give us His peace. And immediately send us to work for Him. Send us to work for the kingdom of God, to build treasure in heaven. Praise Jesus. All glory and praises belong to Jesus Christ of Nazareth, our King, our God, and our Father. My Jesus bless you.